Hello YouTube, Batman Original here, bringing you another unboxing video. Happy New Year to all my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos and thumbing them up. And if you hate and want to hate, you thumb them down. And you can put the thumbs down all you want. I got two other fingers I'd like to show you, but I ain't gonna do that, folks. It's a new year, okay? I don't really give a shit anyways, but anyways, Happy New Year. Thank you guys so much for the support, and stay tuned for more pieces because I am not done collecting by far. I don't think. Maybe the big things I'm kind of dwindling down because I don't really have room, but I always find a spot for something. But I have a couple other videos on different things coming soon, so stay tuned. However, today is a great day because I've been waiting a while for this. It's a big ass box. This is from my buddy Steven Friswold. Hope I'm saying that right. Friswold. Steve Friswold. Thank you, Steve. I got this chainsaw off of him. He's a fellow collector in Texas Chainsaw Massacre group. This is a real Husqvarna chainsaw that is used in the Remake chainsaw movie. Here's the brake bar. Here's the actual bar. Pause the video and get this out of the plastic. Alright, got the bar and chain open. Just trying to be careful because, like I said, it is a real chainsaw. I'm gonna take this fucking chain off before I cut my damn hand. Steven, he did the weathering on this thing just to make it look more realistic. I have to show a video later in this video to show you guys the blood on it. But this thing, wow, this thing looks so freaking real. Really good job on this, dude. Blood is like caked on there. He did the weathering to this chainsaw himself from scratch. Doing it first to from where it was orange all the way to where it was black and tape and all that. Steven did all of this, and he's actually used this chainsaw before, but he's had it for sale for a while, and I've been wanting to get one for my collection to go with my regular Poland. But wow, man, this thing is real deal. Looks like it came right out the damn movie. Man, dude, you really nailed this thing. And you taped it like a motherfucker too, which I appreciate, even though I'm ripping it like a kid on Christmas. Damn. Wow. Dang, dude, this thing looks real. I mean, it is real. It's a real chainsaw. The damn lighting in this is blinding. It's washing out the colors and whatnot on here. I'll have to show you guys a better angle, but give me 1 second and let me put the bar and stuff on here and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Fellas and lady fellas, I'm trying to catch up and see how I do. Wow. That motherfucker's loud. I already killed a motherfucker, so thanks for watching, guys.